Good day everyone. Welcome to day 2 of Chalo Kuch Naya Seekhe. In today's video, we're gonna learn about how to get the title of any web page. To perform that activity, we will be using very simple Selenium WebDriver method title. So first of all, I will be declaring a variable here named as actual title, where I will be storing the value of title that I will get using driver.title method. And then once that is done, my next step would be printing that particular value on the console to validate I am getting the right value or what value I am getting, my method is working or not. So the syntax for printing in Python is very simple. It's print, and then if you want to add some string, you can add the string and concatenate that with the actual value that we are getting here. I'm just saying actual title, and then the actual title value that I will be getting from this title method. Okay, looks like everything has been done. Oh wait, I have forget one thing to add, which is sleep. So I'll be adding the sleep now, time dot sleep. So why I'm adding it that right now? So I just want my browser to have a sufficient time after performing all the activities and wait for that specific time. Once that is done, I'll be just validating the code again and then run the code. Okay, looks good. So it performed all the required actions, and then if you see on the terminal or on the console, you can see actual title, the actual title of my web page, which is from Amazon. The title is amazon.com.spend less mile more. So that is how you can get your web page title and print it on, or maybe perform the assert on it. That is all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.